Now if you saw the previous videos, you know that adding numbers manually is okay for small data, and you know how to use the sum function and the auto sum to deal with large data and to save time. In this tutorial I will show you another quick method to add numbers in no time and without using the autofill and without writing a single formula. So let's first delete this totals column and this totals row. So first we need to select all these numbers, and we need to include to the selection the totals column here to the right and the totals row downward. So when we completed the selection, we press the auto sum button and Excel will automatically give us the total for each row and the total for each column without worrying if the auto sum chose the correct numbers or not. So these are already the correct answers. And of course there is a shortcut for this, so we can use a faster way. Let's delete the totals column and the totals row again. Select all the numbers, include the totals column and include the totals row. Now hold on the Alt key and press the equal sign. Of course you can check if Excel wrote the correct formula by pressing Ctrl tilde. So you can see here the formula correctly choose the numbers across a given row, and here the sum function choose the numbers down across a column. So let's hit Ctrl tilde to get back. Now if you have data like this, and you can use this method to add numbers really quickly.